Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Full face of Catrice makeup. That's what I'm doing today. This is what's on my face. Anyway, if we don't know each other, my name is Val and I love everything makeup and beauty. So if you want to stick around, just press the subscribe button and ring the small bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now without any further ado, let me just show you how I did this using only Catrice. Okay, I'm gonna start off with primers and I'm gonna use two of them which are favorites of mine, both of them. So this one is 10 in 1 Sensational Primer and this one is Prime and Fine, obviously both from Catrice. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I like these two, definitely. I've been using them for such a long time. That's gonna be a chatty video, so I'm gonna tell you why I'm smiling, but I'm gonna be using True Skin from Catrice, the new foundation, their new foundation, and mine is in the shade 039 Warm Olive. And then I'm gonna use their concealer, True Skin, from the same range. And this one I have in 032 Neutral Biscuit. But let me just tell you why I'm laughing. So there is she's a lovely lady on YouTube, Catrice is her name. And she posted a story today. I'm not sure if it was a story or just a post on Instagram. It was something about getting old and when you realize you're getting old. Because she was wearing this tape cassette thing. I don't know what's the word in English, where we used to listen music back so many years ago, and her kids didn't know what this is. By the way, this foundation is really nice. Before I forget to mention, I mean, I haven't tried it like a full day wear test, but the few times when I'm using it, I really like the way it sits on my skin. And you can build this one up to quite a decent coverage, which I really need the last few days because I had a bit of like personal stress, I was about to say, and now I'm stressed out from the barking dog again. I mean, not this, oh come on, really? I mean, every time I sit to film a video, every dog in the neighborhood will start barking like crazy. I don't know what's the deal here, really. I think they sit there waiting for me to sit to film and then they start to bark. When I get stressed out, my hormones go crazy all of a sudden, which is something similar to Catrice. I mean, in the sense that we do realize we're getting old when we start to see things happening which never used to happen before, and like these small bumps around all my chin area. As soon as I get stressed out, I'm full with these small white bumps, and I never used to have this problem before. I mean, like a pimple or two, or a blackhead or two, but never this way. Anyway, this story or this post from Catrice made me laugh a lot because I recently had an idea to film a video with something like, I had something in my mind like makeup struggles over 30. Now, I have an eye primer from Catrice, but I'm scared to use it because it's far too old. This is the one. So just in order to, who knows, I will prefer to use the BPerfect primer, this one. Because first of all, it's tinted and I need something to cover up my scars. Second of all, it's brand new. It just came by the mail a few days ago. So it was really funny for me when I saw her post her story. Because I find something weird with me. I mean, like something different every single day almost since I hit 35. One of them being my eyebrows. I mean, like realizing every time when I sit to do my eyebrows that more and more hair is missing and I'm getting more and more bald in the eyebrow area with the years passing. And I forget things, like I just forgot to mention that I'm using the Catrice Ultra, no, it's Slim Matic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and that's in 040 Cool Brown. The pencil is an awesome color for me, but I'm going through it so quickly that it's even quicker than I'm going through my coffee. So, okay, moving on to Glow Illusion Loose Powder from Catrice, this one. That's a translucent, it's not really translucent, it is supposed to be, but it has a slight peachy tint. I'm gonna use this one under my eyes and just a bit in the center of my face, and this one all over my face. That's one of my favorites, by the way. It's the Prime and Fine Mattifying powder, and that's waterproof. I haven't tried if it's waterproof. Like really, I need to make one of these tests. I'll ask my boyfriend to help me, and he will be really happy, to splash some water on my face probably. And I will use this Catrice Lush and Brow Designer, something like a, it's a gel. It's supposed to be a clear brow gel, but because I always use it after using some pencil or something, it's just not clear anymore. I mean, it's not one of these gels which will freeze your eyebrows in place, but I just like to use it. Moving on to one of my favorite things which I bought recently is this mineral bronzer from Catrice. This is the Clean ID, and mine is in the shade 010 light medium. I'm just using it all of the time, as well as the Physicians Formula butter bronzer, which I really like so far. But that was like what was it, like 5-6 euro, and the Physicians Formula is like 15 probably. And now when I'm trying to blend the bronzer here in my hairline, I remember something else funny, and it's Celeste Barber. Celeste Barber. I saw something from her today as well on Instagram. She did a kind of like something sponsored. I don't remember the name of the brand. It was something with makeup, and then she said you need to blend your, you know, like bronzer in your hairline. I think it was a bronzer. And then she said, if you're lucky enough to have a hairline, if you're lucky enough to have a hair there. And I like, this is the other thing. After I hit 30, the hair goes less and less and less, which actually remind me to leave my hair alone, down, just so I don't pull it here. At least comment one thing which you've noticed, like one weird thing which you've noticed after you hit 30. That's gonna be interesting for me, if something matches me as well. Moving on to the blush, because this video will never end, and I'm gonna be using this one. This is the 03 Golden Coral. I really like this shade. I did wanna try their California in a box, I think. Can't remember what was the name of the palette, but it wasn't. I couldn't find it on the website, on the Greek website, which I shopped for Catrice the last time. I don't know why Catrice is an European brand. And they still don't deliver everywhere in Europe. I don't know why is that. Catrice. The last thing I'm gonna be using, and this is the highlighter from Catrice, which is the High Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder. You saw that probably, if you've seen my rating video, you saw my opinion for the highlighter, but I don't own other one from them. I'm gonna use this 5 in a box palette, which I used like once or twice. I can't remember, and mine is in the shade 020 Soft Rose. I want to do a lighter look, like an everyday makeup, just nothing dark, because the last time when I tried to do an everyday, like a daytime look with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette, I ended up with a definitely like quite dark, not dramatic, but it wasn't like a light daytime look thing. So something else I wanted to ask you is to give me some recommendations for YouTubers which, like, you know, I can relate to. Like, I'm watching a few, obviously, but I'm always on a hunt for something new, you know, interesting. I like Angelica Newquist. I watch Jen Love, what's the name of the channel now? It used to be Jen Love's Reviews, but now it's just Jen Love's, I think, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to blend out the edges here, I mean just here under the brow, with this shade, which is quite cool tone, because the BPerfect primer is ever so slightly lighter than my skin tone, and it evens out my skin, but not in the way that I prefer. Okay, I'm looking at this shimmery shade here, but I know that if I use it, I will have to darken the outer corner a bit with this shade, and then we're gonna go dark, and I'm just gonna go with this one. Yeah, I like this. I mean, I'm really confused with the eyeshadows from Catrice, because I haven't tried many. Like, I'm watching so many mixed reviews for them. I think that looks fine and it's enough for me, and now I need to decide which pencil to use from them. That's Kohl, Kajal, one of them, it's black, they're both black by the way, and the other one is Color and Contour 18 Hours Eye Pencil. Now, one of these pencils I tried once or twice and I wasn't happy with at all, but I don't remember which one was it. I can't remember what went wrong, but I'm just gonna try now. And I'm gonna use the Kohl in the waterline and this 18 Hours Color and Contour Eye Pencil on the upper lid. This is a retractable one. Let me show you how the other one looks like. That's retractable as well. I mean, they look really similar. Let's try again with the pencil. Doesn't really want to give me much. I mean, I need to push here. Let me try the other one and see if the other one is a bit more creamy. Yeah, okay, that's definitely creamier. I just want some definition anyway. Okay, that's fine. The weird thing is that it goes on my hand quite nicely, but on top of the eyeshadows, it's just like you need to press quite hard to get something out of it. Now, I will be completely honest with you. I have the Catrice 24 Hours, a No Panda Eyes 24 Hours. I don't really like this mascara. I don't know if I should give it like a last chance again. It's just that I have one more mascara from Catrice and I don't like the other one as well, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna go with it and we can ruin everything. So I'm not blessed with the thickest, longest, wow lashes, but this mascara I feel like makes them worse than they really are. Okay, no, you know what? I'm gonna do some of the Lush Princess from Essence. I know that's not supposed to be, I mean, it's just full face with Catrice products, but bear with me here. My lashes look horrible in real life. Really. Okay, that's the best I could do because nothing layers on top of this mascara. That's the other thing which drives me crazy. My lashes are so hard, dry, stone-like that you can't even apply other coat. Not from this, not from any mascara on top, so no, that's a big no-no for me. Something which I'm short of from Catrice as well is a lip liner. I don't know what I did. I don't know why I didn't order a lip liner, but I'm gonna be using this one from Colourpop, and it's in the shade I Heart This. And I'm gonna be using one lipstick from Catrice which looks like this. I mean, I'm all for the packaging. The packaging is amazing. Now, the lipsticks from Catrice are one of the things which I really like a lot, and their glosses as well. And this is how the color looks like. Anyway, the lipstick is awesome. I really like it. Okay, lipstick is on, and I do like the combo actually. I think it looks nice with the lip liner. This is one of my favorite sprays from the drugstore. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. I had another one which was purple and I can't remember the name of it. Something with a multi-talent something. And I gave it to my mother. I loved that spray. And they have a new one. I think it was something with gold, like something luminizing. Was it? I don't know. I might order this one as well. I mean, I will order this one again. Anyway guys, this is the finished look. Full face with Catrice, obviously, and I really like how this turned out. As I said, I like Catrice in general. I mean, they have some dots and things which I don't like, but most of the things I like, and I always want to try, you know, the new stuff which they come up with. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I need to leave the house at least for an hour, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!